Here, a look at new and trendy transparent Western fashion style. The blending elegance with boldness, these styles are popular in high fashion, Instagram trend, and modern party wear. Latest transparent Western fashion trend include sheer corset dresses, transparent mesh or lace bodice with visual and visible boning pair with high slit skirt or mini skirt seen on runway and influencer shoot. Illusion panel dresses, body hugging gown or mini dresses with nude or transparent side panel create a floating fabric look perfect for evening parties or fashion events. Crystal embellished mesh outfits, nude or black mesh with hand placed crystal and pearl or rhinestone, popular for red carpets and luxury nightclubs, sometimes layered over bodysuits or bralettes. Transparent blazer include organza or sheer silk blazer over bralettes or fitted tops, styled with wide leg trouser or denim, trendy for fashion forward office or semi formal look. Sheer, layered maxi skirt, layered chiffon or organza in pastel or dark tone, often paired with crop top, lace underwear, or statement boots, ideal for music festival or beachside events. Transparent pant or jumpsuits, full length mesh pant over bikini bottom or brief, worn with oversized top or bandias style heavily in TikTok and Fashion Week. Fishnet bodysuit or dress include high fashion version of fishnet often rhinestone studded, layered under jacket, oversized skirt or boots or coats, bold club wear or performance fashion, transparent maxi coat, lightweight sheer trench coat or duster worn as statement out layer over mini dresses or bodysuits, a mix of mystery and sensuality. Asymmetric transparency fashion is one of the most stylish and daring trend in western fashion right now. It plays with uneven cuts, sheer layer and unexpected exposure, making it perfect for fashion forward movement who want to make a bold statement. Asymmetrical transparency combines sheer fabrics like mesh organza or lace with uneven design like one shoulder cuts, an angled hem, or half transparent panel. It creates a balanced contrast between exposed and covered part of the body. The top styling include one sleeve sheer dress, one arm cover in sheer fabrics, and other bare or solid, sometimes combined with high slit or sheer skirt, elegant for formal parties and red carpet events. Diagonal panel dresses include transparent fabrics across the body diagonally, top left to the bottom right, mix opaque and sheer fabric in unexpected way, visually slimming and edge. Asymmetric sheer hemline dresses or skirt where only one side is transparent, the other is solid or layered, often longer on one side, add drama and movement when walking. One leg sheer pant or bodysuits, sheer leg on one side, solid leg on the other, often seen with bodysuits or jumpsuit, popular in high fashion runway and editorial shoots. Asymmetrical sheer caps or overlay transparent layers wrapping over one shoulder, arm, or side of the body add rigor or fantasy appeal. Great for evening event or fashion show. Cutout dresses include with transparent inset one side or portion of the dress has transparent panel, waist thigh, back shoulder. Asymmetrical design makes it sexy without being overexposed. Western dress with halter neckline typically feature a design where the straps go round the neck, leaving the shoulders and back mostly exposed. This style is often seen in both casual and formal dresses, offering a chic and elegant look. The halter neckline can range from simple, minimalist design to one with embellishment. These dresses are popular in both summer and evening wear, as the exposed neckline adds a stylish, flattering shape. Halter dresses can be found in various materials like cotton for casual look or silk and satin for more formal event. They can also have different silhouettes such as A-line, bodycon, bohemian halter dress, often with pattern like floral, paisley or tie-dye. These dresses have a relaxed, carefree vibe perfect for summer festival or beach vacations. Sheer gown fashion are a standout in contemporary fashion, merging sensuality with sophistication. These gowns often feature delicate fabrics like tulle, chiffon, lace, or mesh, making them ideal for red carpet, class, or high fashion events. Sheer with applique or embroidery include see-through fabrics embellished with floral style or abstract embroidery, often layered strategically to bodysuits. Base plus sheer overlay is a fitted bodysuit, sometimes corset style, under a long sheer skirt or dress, popular in celebrity and runway fashion for its bold and wearable look. Gown with sheer sleeve or neckline, a classic approach. Only part of gowns like sleeve or a sheath add elegance. All sheer with sparkle. Full length gown made entirely of sheer fabric dusted with squin or metallic threads, perfect for nighttime glam with dramatic lightning effect.